Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. We're going to be looking at the best tool deals for Black Friday 2021. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube is the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, we got this toolbox, $6.99. I know it's expensive. It's targeted for the professionals. I will tell you one thing about this. I do not like the locks on these. I like the locks on the older toolboxes. As you guys see, it's already broken. And the bottom seems to be working fine. But the one on the top, this is slide. I don't know if it's locked or if it's broken. Or I wouldn't think it's locked because the bottom one's open. But anyways, something a little flimsy they need to fix. Feels just too cheap. These are great sockets, guys. Definitely check them out. These are solid. Even if you're professional, all these sockets are solid. Especially $19.99, guys, for 13-piece half-inch drive sockets. Impact duty, SAE or metric. Nice shiny finish that they got. I don't know if these have the indentation. The ones that I have do have the indentation. We got some nice toolboxes here. We're going to go over this big toolbox here in a second. $24.99 for the 4-piece professional impact socket adapter set. This is from Icon, so it is the pro level line. So you're going to get the premium here, the premium metals and stuff like that. So features. Alright, so you got this toolbox here, US General. These are the locks that I'm telling you guys. These are much nicer locks on these older toolboxes. $349. Not necessarily the cheapest, but you guys, they are really nice. The only thing I don't like about these boxes is the drawers are really shallow and it's hard to put tools in there. Like this one has nice deep drawers, but this one's out of my budget, obviously, because this one's shooting at the professional, at the mechanic, at the shops. So we got some nice liner there. It says Icon, and then some more drawers here on this cabinet here, pretty nice. And they got a HUD here on the top. You can close it down, lock up your tools, your computer, whatever you have, and lock it up. And then you got this big deep drawer here, really nice. You can stand up all your sockets. That's one thing I like about those deep drawers. And as you guys do see, the top is $2,199, and then you got the box there at the bottom, the 73-inch, almost just below $3,000. So you guys get the prices. They're pretty expensive. I mean, they're shooting right at the professional, right at the big old companies. You got some nice casters there at the bottom, some nice deep drawers there for the power tools. They even got a drawer here dedicated for the chargers, and they got another drawer there for the power tools. I just couldn't open it. Alright, so they got some Black Friday deals going on, limited time only. Yeah, this ends the 24th, so just to let you know. Got some extensions here, $19.99. And then you got the spotting scope here, $44.99. This is 20 to 60 millimeter spotting scope. Then you got a lockbox here, portable personal security safe, $14.99. It's pretty nice, but people can steal them. They can steal the whole thing. $36.99 for the outdoor extension, 50 feet, 12 gauge. It's heavy duty. And they got this rope light. It says warm white, $14.99, 18 feet plug-in linkable rope light. And they got this storage box. This is ammo box, 50 cal, $7.99. You guys could use these for storage if you guys got smaller, sockets or tools or whatnot. And they got the casters. These are flat free casters, so they don't have any air in them. $17.99. So that's a pretty good price for a flat free 13-inch. It's actually the regular dollies are 10 inches, but as a matter of fact, I just bought some. I should have bought the flat free ones. You got professional e-torque socket set, 6-piece. Then you got the socket set with the ball extension, $39.99, SAE or metric. And I do have this Quinn torque wrench. I really like this torque wrench. It's good quality. Seems to be pretty nice. $174. I would not pay that. Wait until it goes down into a sale or something, like believe I got mine for 155 or something like that. $12.99 for a 3-piece super long extension set. This is a really nice extension set, very inexpensive. Being a mechanic, you're always gonna get those, sockets that are just crazy down there at the bottom, like super deep. That's a nice way to get them. Yeah, guys, these are solid. I do have one of these. I have a blue one. These things are really solid. Really like the colors. The only thing is the price. I don't like the price. But the locks, everything, the casters, everything is solid about these boxes. $269. I got mine for $149. Can you believe it? How much money these things, all these tools and cabinets have gone up, in the past 4 or 5 years. Isn't that crazy? But guys, yeah, definitely check them out, guys. If you're looking for a cart, make sure you get one of those if it goes on sale. Usually they go on sale for close to $200, like $220. I don't know if they're still gonna go down there that low though. All right, got some nails here, Banks, middle grade type of nail gun here. You got $29.99, 20 gauge wide crown stapler. Alright, $14.99. You got the HBOP gravity feed air spray gun. This used to be $9.99, but they raised the price to $14. This is pretty much the price we've seen lately. $189 for a 20-ounce professional HTE gravity feed. So this is mostly for the professional. I don't know much about painting, so I couldn't tell you if these are good or not. But according to the price, I'm pretty sure it's up there, with the bigger brands there. And this is the way the store looks here, but they got these end caps with the Black Friday. This is the nice lamp. It's 400 lumen waterproof rechargeable LED float lamp. This is pretty nice. $14.99. I do have this thing. This thing still works. I have a few years with it. Got some gloves there. $4.99. Pretty nice. Cut resistant. The A5 cut resistant work gloves. Alright, you got a tester here, a 6 or 12 volt circuit tester. 12 or $2.99. Then they got an inflator and an air compressor here, 12 volt, 150 psi high volume. $49.99. And they got this this blanket there, moving blanket, $3.99. So if you need to cover up something. Then they got the circuit scanners. This one's $2.99. This was the ZR15S, I believe. Yes, 15S. I think this one does a little bit more than the other ones. These are mostly simpler. This is a CR8S. This is the cheaper one. I believe that one's on sale. The 8S. Yeah, this is the 8S. It's $79.99. So it's on sale. Down from $149. Alright, they got this Jupiter inverter. $2.99. These are great, guys, for emergencies, or if you want to run some power tools off the battery of the car. It's fine. If you're gonna be doing that every weekend or very often or every day, I would recommend getting a better quality. These are some nice ratchets, guys. I do have these ratchets. They're very cheap compared to other brands like Milwaukee. These are really dirt cheap, basically. So that's the extended. That's the regular, and then the extended. The extended is $99. That's not a bad deal, guys. Even if you buy a battery that's $24 and a charger that's $24, still that's $150. If you go to Milwaukee, you try to get that extended, the ratchet, you're gonna spend at least, for bare tool, you're gonna spend at least $200. So you guys might want to consider that. Alright, they got the open box section here. Not a whole lot of deals. Most of the stuff was regular price. $223 for this mower. It's bare tool. It's not any batteries. So these are some of the Black Friday deals that they had. Got a die grinder there, $59. You got some cloths there, $199. Polisher sander, $39. You got a dual temperature heat gun, $14.99, which is solid. And then you got a wood top, a router bit set, $34. A heat shield, $16.99. Got some screwdrivers there, which are nice, $9.99. The Quins are really nice. And then you got some nice sockets there at the bottom. You guys see those nice sockets? $9.99. It's a nice socket set there. So definitely check them out. There's a lot of good stuff. You guys got to look for it. I know some of you don't have patience and just want, don't like Chinese yum stuff, but I like some of the tools. Some of the tools are okay, pretty good quality. Like these 7mm gloves, I really like them. I don't know if you guys do your own mechanic, oil changes and brake jobs and stuff like that. These 5mm are a little bit too thin for my use. If you do cleaning, maybe you can use them for that, or lighter duty use. You got the 17mm here, or the 9mm, not the 17mm. 17.99. These are for harder, heavier duty use. I'm okay with the 7mm. Usually those are fine. You got oscillating tool here for $59.99. But it is corded. It's not cordless. And you got a toolbox or a tool tote, $9.99. It's a 12-inch, 18 pockets. Alright, you got this grease coupler, $15.99. Not too bad. $19.90 regular price. Alright, you got 1.5 soft face mallet, $3.99. It does come with two different types of rubber. You guys could a softer and a more firm rubber. And you got this $44.99 weatherproof protective case, orange. So you got different colors you guys could choose from for $44. It's very comparable to the higher quality ones. Anti-fatigue roll mat, $8.99. These are little things you guys could get for your shop. Like this mat here is pretty nice. If you got a workbench or something, and then you need to have a mat there at the bottom. And you got this edger trimmer, 22-inch, $32.99. Fairly decent for somebody that does not, wanting to get into a battery system. And then you got this pole saw. It's pretty nice pole saw, very comparable, competitive. $74.99, 8-inch. I haven't used it personally, but Bauer's okay brand. It's not the higher quality. It's the mid-grade type of Ryobi, like-ish, their brand. Alright, you got the generators here. They got this one on sale. This thing's a beast. This one's a monster. Will run your whole house. It's on sale from $12.49 to down to $11.79. It's 8,750 watt. So guys, it's 7,000 watts running. So this will power your whole house basically. This thing is heavy. It does have some nice wheels there. And it's very complete. It does have a lot. It does have a starter here. It does have an on and off switch. You got a USB port there at the bottom. You got a 12-volt outlet. That's a USB port there. You got the RB outlet there, for the bigger connectors there for the RBs and stuff like that. You got a nice gauge there. Tells you the voltage, I guess. And then you got some 120 volt outlets here. Pretty nice. And they got the smaller one here for $3.99. I think that's a good price. 4,375 watts. I believe this one does not come with the wheels. I think the other one does come with the wheels. So just keep that in mind. These are Predator engines, are really solid. They're pretty much the clone to the Honda engines. So definitely check it out. You got some AC breakers there. You got GFCI outlets there. 15 amp. And then you got your 15 amp max. 240 volts, 120 volts. So $3.99, definitely check it out. These generators are really solid. Those are the ones that are on sale. And then they got some new ones coming out. Some new flashlights here. I wish Harbor Freight would include more rechargeable flashlights. Lately I've seen a lot of battery powered flashlights. So then they got this $194 for the 1-inch clear water gasoline engine water pump. That's it right there. Nice and compact, smaller. They got this backpack here for the weeds and pesticides. You got a bigger property here. You want to finish quick. $21.99. So 4-gallon backpack sprayer. Like I said, for the house. You got this pressure washer, $84.99. It's pretty decent, pretty solid. I've used it. I've owned a few of these and they've been working fine. My brother owns one now. Still likes it. You got airbrush compressor here, $99. I haven't used this. I don't know nothing about airbrush, so there's that. You got a camouflage utility cover, 72 by 80, $8.99. Pretty nice colors. Alright, we got the welders here. This is the welding section. They do got some Black Friday discounted. They got this Vulcan 250 MIG-Max. So this one's $7.99, down from $8.79. I couldn't tell you nothing about welding because I don't know nothing about welding, but these seem to be pretty premium. I heard good things about these. They got this cheap one for $159, 80 amp inverter welder, arc welder. These are great if you're like just want to pretty much put two pieces of metal together. But if you want something nice, you're gonna have to upgrade to at least the titanium or a Vulcan. Alright, you got the die grinder here, $59.99. And they got this big old large angle grinder, 7 to 9 inch wheels. $119.99. This is a 15 amp, so it's a big, powerful angle grinder. And then they got these rotary hammers. So $449. This is a 1 7/8 SDS Max type, 14 amps. This is a big boy here. Pretty nice. Yeah, it's really nice. And then they got this smaller one here. And Hercules is a pretty good brand. Got $289. SDS Max type, so it's the bigger shank there. You got spade bits there for $19.99. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to cut it right here. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.